In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify store. If you've ever been curious about selling products online, building your own e-commerce store is an incredibly powerful step forward. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms available, thanks to its user-friendly interface and wealth of features, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned online sellers. First, let's open up your browser and go to the Shopify website. You'll want to start by signing up for an account. Shopify offers a free trial, which is a great way to test things out before committing to a subscription. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Make sure your store name is unique and reflects the products you intend to sell, as this will form part of your online brand identity. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your store's dashboard. From here, click on Add Product to start listing items you want to sell. In the Product Details section, fill in the product title and description. Be descriptive and engaging. Remember, this is where you can sell your product with words. Add high-quality images. Customers love to see what they're buying from all angles. Also, specify the price, quantity, and any specific variants like size or color. Tags can help organize your inventory and make products easier for customers to find. Next, it's time to customize the look of your store. Click on Online Store in the left-hand menu, and then Themes. Shopify provides several free themes you can start with. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand, then hit Customize. Here, you can adjust the layout, colors, and fonts. Keep in mind to maintain a clean and professional look, which can enhance customer trust and increase sales. Moving on to payment options, you'll need to set these up to start receiving money. Head over to the Settings menu and click Payments. Shopify supports a variety of payment gateways, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and credit card payments. Select the ones that fit your needs, taking into account any transaction fees. Don't forget to set up a domain name to establish a professional web presence. You can purchase a domain directly through Shopify for simplicity, or connect a third-party domain if you already own one. Finally, before launching, it's crucial to get shipping settings in place. Head to Shipping and Delivery under Settings and determine your shipping rates and methods. Consider offering free shipping or flat rates to simplify costs for customers. Before you hit that launch button, double-check each section. Ensure that your payment systems work, your shipping rates are correct, and that your website looks clean and inviting. And that's it. You now have a functioning Shopify store ready to welcome its first customers. Good luck, and happy selling!